MEGL stock, Magic Empire Global Limited, up 74.21% in this session of the 15th of August 2022. We know last week it debuted and spiked all the way to around $200 or thereabout, but this time around it has cooled off, now trading pretty much like a regular stock. But even at that, 74% isn't regular, We know it indeed. We've seen that we see that a lot with a lot of stocks. And the key thing about MEGL is it's very low float as well, around 5.5 million shares. So given that sort of thing, you would expect that it will always spike, and indeed, it can still do perform like as it did last week. Last week we had this very ambitious target of $348, but that was strictly based on what was going on then. Going by that sort of projection and going by what is also going on now, may not get to that sort of level, but never say never. So 54 million shares and counting, or if not more, have crossed the tape. We can see that. So what we are seeing now, the fact that the stock has been moving sideways for some time now, at least since I would say since 11 a.m. Eastern US time. And also going by these volumes, it's an indication that a lot of market participants have gotten involved. Some are selling, a lot are selling, and a lot are buying. That has ensured that the stock has just leveled out, moving sideways now. Ran up the gain and moving sideways. Ran up the gain. The gain was even more than 75%, and it's now moving sideways. So going by the modesty it's now presented, we think it can get to $16.78. This is our much more down-to-earth target, but well, we since we pronounced that 348, well, we've said it already, but we're not looking at that right now. We're looking at a much more realistic level, or rather projection of 16.78. Okay, so MEGL on the move again. Interest is still there. Penny stock, sorry, not penny stock, rather low float stock. Okay, so just be really careful as well, and I'll continue to update you with as it concerns MEGL. And thank you very much for watching this video.